Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. In this shot, you're looking at the seafloor and it looks like there's just rocks. That's all there are. And there's barnacles on those rocks. Wrong. It's bottles. Those are old bottles. If you look to the center of the screen, yes, it looks like a rock. No, that's a bottle. You can see just at the top of the neck there. Over to the right a little bit, it looks like a little mountain. That's the stem of another bottle. In front of this one is another bottle. It looks like it's an old garbage dump out here in Clovos Passage in 356-7, right in that depth of water. And look at here. Here's another bottle. And I'm found a dump, I believe, full of old bottles. This is crazy. I have more footage coming. They've limited me on this channel to just 2 minutes, but I'm going to run a few more shots of bottles in upcoming. Wow. It's crazy. I'm in a dump, an area. I guess in the old days they'd row out with their boat and they'd throw their garbage into the water and row back home, not think nothing of it. Not a lot of plastics, if any, mostly glass and pottery, I would imagine. But this is a dump. I'm going to put another one together for you on another area in the same location, looking at another bottle, all right? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to do it again.